Chad and Sarah would Drive the Lightning back with another video about the Aptera Gamma release. One of the big changes in Gamma was the front lighting structure.
Right.
And why did they change it?
They changed it because they found that they can use an LED headlight that has a 150-degree spread, which is highly efficient. You know, everything about Aptera is all about efficiency, and this LED light in the center is going to provide them with the most efficient way to do a headlight for the Aptera.
Well, this is what Aptera had to say about it here. They said, you may notice our nose is not only pointier, but our headlight design has changed. Thanks to the advancement in LED lighting, we can now use lower power options to project high and low beams from the front of the vehicle, with this, we maximized our efficiency. And Aptera is all about efficiency.
Yes.
In fact, LED lights, when you compare them to the standard, which is halogen lights, it's really night and day. Get it? Light. But a halogen light uses almost 80% of the energy, the electricity in this case, that you give it. Most of that just goes to creating heat, and just a very little bit goes to creating light.
And in this case, the heat is a waste product. What you want your bulb to do is create light. So you don't want the heat, and 80% of your energy, like you said, is going to result in heat, and only 20% in light in a halogen bulb.
Total opposite of LED, where just very little is heat waste, and the vast majority of energy used is light. So we wanted to test it in real life. So we switched the headlights in our Nissan Leaf, our 2016, from halogen to LED, and we're going to show you the result. All right, so let's take a look. Sarah's going to do the installation, so you're free to go. I'll go ahead and unbox the product. This was sent to us from Novsight. They make LED lights. They wanted us to try it out and show you, which fit perfectly into this video we wanted to make, so thank you to Novsight. There will be a link in the description if you want to purchase from this company. After you see the video, make sure it looks like it's worth it to you, of course. If you do use that, you'll save 25%. We'll get a little tiny commission on each purchase that's made. There you go. Full disclosure. Sarah, get out there and install this light.
I'm going. So if you want to get the camera in and take a look at this cap down here, that's what we're going to be accessing. We're working on the driver's side headlight right now. So I'm just going to reach in here and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, which in this case is away from the 12-volt battery. So it's going to be towards the outside of the car. And once we have that twisted loose, that's the cap. We just set that aside. It has wires going through it. No big deal. You can see in there, now we're going to go after the bulb. And in order to turn that, there's a couple of wings on the outside of the bulb, and that's what we're actually reaching for. And we're going to again turn that counterclockwise, which is away from the 12-volt battery on the driver's side. Okay, so now I'm going to take out the old bulb, and I'm going to pinch this on the end a little bit and then just pull straight out. Boom. Now we're ready for a new bulb. Hey, this is what we're going to be replacing that bulb with, and let's put Chad to work and have him get those out of the box for us.
All right, let's get these out of the box. I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so here they are. These are the LEDs we're using from Novsight. They sent us these to try out, just full disclosure. And let's see what they're about here in the unpackaging. That's our first impression. Oh, look at that. Nice keychain inside. Says light up your way. It says Novsight on the back. Real durable. That's actually kind of useful. Instruction booklet. This is the manual. You know, that's how you go about doing it. And then here you see, this could have been dropped off a very high building and never cracked anything. This is some pretty solid packaging here, as you can see. Let's pull one of these out. Okay, so here you go. And let me just tell you, first impression, this is metal. This is not cheaply made at all. And then even this part in the middle, the connector between the plug and the light, I would have thought when I first saw this would have been plastic. This is not. There are no cheap materials used. So we'll see what it looks like installed. Sarah's going to do the installation. If you're interested in upgrading your LEDs, then watch this whole video and see if there's enough of a difference to make it worth it to you. And if so, maybe think about going with Novsight. There's a link in the description where you can save 25% because you're a viewer of Drive the Lightning. Use the code LIGHTNING at checkout. Sarah and I make a couple dollars if you use that link, just full disclosure. But let's see how good they actually are. Okay, so first of all, a word of caution as you're dealing with your lights, make sure you don't touch this area here. This is your LED and you don't want that, you don't want any contact with that. It can damage the LED before you even put it in, and you don't want that. So here's our old bulb.
You can see there's the connector. Here's our new bulb. Wait a minute, no connector. This is a high quality bulb with a fan that is going to help keep it cool. And our connector is right here. So it's all connected there. You can see that matches this end exactly. There's only going to be one way that you're going to be able to clip this in, because you're going to see that this clip is going to connect right directly into where this one came out of. Let's put it in. Okay, so again, we want this tab on top. This tab is going to fit right into here, and you can see the connectors are going to connect right into this purple spot. Click. That means we did a good job. All right, now we're going to make sure to get our bulb back in. Now, as you can see, we have a little more bulk to put back in under that cap, so we're just going to finesse that until we get it all where it goes. Let's do a real-time edit here. There is an additional power pack on the Novsight LED bulbs, and there was no way to fit that under the dust cap. So in this case, we just decided we would leave the dust cap off so that we could use our new LED lights.
Good thing they come with a 2-year warranty.
Yeah, good thing.
But really, it's going to be no problem. You can see here, there's plenty of room under the hood to fit the dust cap and a little bit of a wiring harness. So no problem there. And that's just a 2016 Leaf. And Novsight does make other LEDs that do not have a fan, but they have other ways to self-cool. So consider that when you're making your purchase. Okay, now back to the install. So Sarah, let me see if I got this right. You twisted the old one out, twisted the new one in. That's pretty much it, right?
That's pretty much it, yeah.
There's nothing really to changing these bulbs out. You could definitely do it yourself. And no, you don't have to disconnect the battery. However, the car should be powered off, but that's it. You'll be good.
Yeah.
But what do people really want to know?
Is it worth it?
Is it worth it?
Even if it's not much effort, still, do I want to do it? Let's find out.
So here's some top to bottom video. On the top, you're going to see the LED lights from Novsight. On the bottom, you're going to see our original headlights that came with the 2016 Nissan Leaf, which are halogen lights. And I'm just going to play through that and just look and see if you can see a difference. So here's the low beams, and then here's the brights right there. You can see clearly a massive difference. We are so excited to have these in the Leaf. We were driving around last night, and we're like, I hope we're not blinding people. And I'm like, I don't care. That's their problem. Well, I can see everything. I can see the future in these lights.
When I saw the footage of this, I'm like, I can't believe we were driving around with those dull lights before. It wasn't safe. I feel a lot safer now.
So that's our real life test of LED lights, like the ones Aptera are going with. They will be way more efficient and way better.
And they'll last longer.
And they'll last way longer.
That reduces waste. So
that's like win. Everybody wins. We need to say thank you to our members. We truly appreciate you being a part of the show. You're the ones that keep the wheels churning.
Yes.
And a quick thank you to Novsight for sending us these bulbs for free. Thank you.
Thank you so
for
much.
For us to be able to test out and show you, and for providing the link. So if anybody does want to buy them, they can save 25%. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to see more of our Aptera videos where we tested things out on our Nissan Leaf to compare with the Aptera, I think you'll find this one at least interesting, if not completely stupid.
I mean, amusing.
Amusing. All right, thumbs up to you guys.